like $10,000.
It works. What happened?
I'm just so grateful.
Cute. I was like, oh no, something bad happened. We love happy tears. Hopefully you still feel that way when we're done.
Hey everyone, welcome. We are doing another one of these really fun ambush double giveaway makeovers. And today it's crazy because we got an SOS message from Rebecca. She has a rental apartment. She's trying to make money off of it, but a squatter is there, not paying her rent and trashing the place. She has been trying to get him out, and she finally did. She's been trying to just make it look normal again. And so we're gonna go over there, obviously like we've been doing. We don't know what it looks like. We're gonna show up and try to do a quick fix in like an hour. So Rebecca, here we come. No more squatters! Rebecca!
Hey! Oh my God! Thank you so much for coming.
Oh my God, of course. Thank you. Let's see. You've been working so hard in here.
I painted the wall.
Oh, it looks so much better than the pictures now. Oh man. Are you so relieved? It was crazy before.
Wait, so what was the story?
So I used to live here, and then I put it to rent when I moved in with my partner, and I wasn't checking on him enough, and then
Who's the renter?
the renter, and then I found out how he was living, and he didn't pay me for months at a time, so he owes me like $10,000.
That is crazy.
So basically you have a squatter.
It was that much.
Yes.
This is probably the
And
definition.
his face looks
You
so
lost
bad.
out on so much rent. I feel like we need to like I wish I brought some sage with me.
I saged it.
Oh, you did? Okay. That's why it feels good. It feels good.
You know the drill of this series is that it's our like sort of quick fix ambush makeover. So we got to see what we can do in like an hour or two.
No, I'm excited.
And
I know.
I already see the issue. Cement block walls.
Yeah.
Big cement beam.
And the fact that it's painted, it's like, it's not like raw, like we're not going for like loft vibes in here. It's just sort of like there. But yeah, I have an idea. All right, so let's get our supplies in here and I'll tell you the idea.
Okay, let's do it. Oh my goodness.
This room is posing some major challenges for us, especially for this quick fix makeover we are trying to do here. There's cinder block walls. There's a big old chunky beam across the top of one wall that's also cement. And the floors are unfinished cement with paint all over them. So like, we gotta embrace like the ruggedness, but also make this just look fresh and gorgeous. Challenge is here. We're going to make lemonade out of lemons. Not sure how sweet of a lemonade it's gonna be yet though.
So here's what I'm thinking, because I feel like, well, cinder block is actually a common situation for people. And the annoying thing about cinder block is
It's ugly.
Number one, ugly. Number two, it's really hard to like drill into. Even it's hard to like stick stuff onto if you're using adhesive because it's like a kind of a more slick surface. And also it's just like a sort of prison vibe.
Cinder block is no one's favorite.
No one's favorite, exactly, thank you.
Also a weird cubby.
Yeah, well, I was gonna say, the other thing that's like odd about this is this beam. Like, it's kind of like when people have soffits or beams, like obviously it's an architectural necessity, but it proves another issue.
The problem with this overhead beam is it runs right along the wall where the bed really should go, so it shortens the whole wall. So my idea is instead to hang curtains in front of the beam. Now what this is gonna do, it's gonna make the wall look higher, and it's also gonna provide a good beam's width of storage along that whole wall behind the curtains, which is great because the closet is also in this room, and that closet is the only storage in this whole apartment. She doesn't have any storage in the kitchen or living room area. So we're gonna add a whole wall of storage for like lots of stuff. I think this is the way to go.
Because we want to bring in softness, we want to bring in like luxury vibe, just totally transform the whole feeling of this place. And I think if we can mount curtain rods along here and then a bunch of curtain panels hanging, they'll be basically this level.
Oh my goodness. That's
And so
really
then,
cool.
Yeah, so then this whole wall, like behind the bed and everything, can be like deep storage with the curtain panels hanging, and we'll kind of almost like fudge the wall out, right? The bed will be in front of the curtains.
All right, so let's get the curtains out.
Great.
All right.
Okay.
Since we only have 90-inch long curtain panels and the ceiling is 96 inches, I don't want to hang them all the way up to the ceiling because they're going to be too short, and you know how I hate when curtains fled off the ground. So in order for them to kiss the ground, we're going to use some twine and braid these cute little loops that the curtain rod can hang within. The other benefit to this is instead of using the brackets that come with the curtain rod that stick out off the wall that much more, they can now hang flush against the beam and create a nice finished look. So we shall be braiding some twine.
So the plan is basically gonna be to braid some pretty little jute loops.
Okay.
And I think it's a good trick for people too, because the great thing is you can adjust it, right? So that you can perfectly mount the curtains to kiss the floor. We want them to kiss, not huddle, because you want to be able to like store stuff behind it, not see stuff sticking out at the bottom, right?
Yeah.
So by having the flexibility of the length of this, we'll be able to put it perfectly. So, okay, I'll give you 3 pieces to braid. Have you ever done like friendship bracelets or anything? You know, you have to anchor it. I use my
shoes,
toe.
it's a good thing I just got a manicure just recently.
As sort of silly as it is, doing something like a braid just looks that much more purposeful than if you just did one piece of twine, you know?
I used to be a scout as a kid, so to me, like, natural
Oh,
elements
really?
are just so important.
Yay! Yeah, I think that was a good length.
How's the craft time going? Remember, we're supposed to be done in like an hour.
Eating each other's toe hair, Joey.
All right, you're eating into my hanging curtains
Yeah,
time.
well, here's two. Speed braid, ready? My thought was that you just kind of piece the two ends together. You want to size it and tell me the length, and then I'll tie a knot.
Yeah, but how's the screw gonna hold?
The screw's gonna hold because it's going through the braid.
So basically, I'm just screwing like that in.
It's whimsical, Joey!
It works. You know, I think only you would make us do this versus just use some dang curtain rod holders.
What?
You could have just used the curtain rod brackets.
And they would have been in the wrong length, and the curtains would have been flooding, and you would have seen everything you're storing back there.
I'm just saying, this is a very key.
You're so glad that I'm here and I'm me, is what you're saying. What do you think, Rebecca, so far?
I love it. It already makes it look so much more calmer.
Yeah! No, I think bringing in like a textile just softens, especially when you have like a popcorn ceiling, like a raw floor. This just adds a lot of just softness and coziness.
I love it.
And storage. Oh, how did I know?
Where did he go?
She's got raw cement floors with paint stains on them, and it's like not like a cute paint stain kind of way. So we are bringing in our biggest rug from the truck. This is gonna lay wall to wall.
This is gonna be good.
It's so pretty.
Woohoo!
Oh my god.
Obviously, maybe it's not the most permanent solution, but it's a gorgeous way to cover up these not so cute floors, and especially in a quick fix kind of way.
Oh my god, what happened?
I'm just so grateful.
Cute. I was like, oh no, something bad happened. But they're happy tears, you sweetie. Oh, you're gonna make me cry. This pregnancy hormone. We love happy tears. Hopefully you still feel that way when we're done.
This is the Mr. Kate Tess bed in a box.
I'm so excited. We're giving her our Mr. Kate Tess Wingback Bed. This is our highest headboard, especially on a budget, the highest headboard you can get. And it just is gonna bring so much luxury and elegance to this space. It's gonna be bright and chic. Ugh, it's exactly what we need.
Oh my goodness, that's so cool. That is some wonderful design.
Look at that. This headboard is crazy high.
Can we take a moment to appreciate that this was in that box?
I know, Joey, it's true. It's like a magic trick.
That is pretty incredible.
And it's really nice because like this is almost more of like a chenille velvet. And then next to this, like there's just sort of a subtlety to the colors,
I love it.
to the textures.
Since Rebecca might continue to rent the space out, we're just going with a gorgeous neutral decor in here. So bringing in some beautiful bedding, just really making it as luxurious as possible. On a budget, of course, we've got one of our beautiful Primrose side tables going there that has a drawer and with a cute lamp. And then I'm using this cool kind of rustic stool that she had.
Oh my god, I love pink.
You do?
I do. It's
I
like
didn't
one of
know
my
that about
And
you.
I don't even understand. Like my favorite combo is like pink and green. And it's
Stop,
like green.
grab it right now. Oh my gosh.
How'd you get so lucky, Rebecca?
I really don't know.
No, what do you mean? She
I mean,
had a great story.
I love the before.
Oh gosh, the before.
After like 2 weeks of like scrubbing the walls and painting and
No. Oh my gosh, are you crying again? Oh, I love you. Sweetest Rebecca, what sign are you? Are you a Pisces? You are? Oh my gosh, I knew it.
I mean, you can really see how much this experience affected Rebecca. Like, it really was a trauma that she went through. And being able to help her with this room just like means so much to her, so much to us that she trusted us. So I'm so proud of it. What a big change we were able to make in such a short period of time. Of course, wanting to inspire you guys to do these quick fixes in your place as well. And yay, Rebecca can smile now. No more tears.
I mean, I could like spend an hour on a throw blanket. It's like you want it to have that perfectly haphazard, but okay, I need to be done. I think we're done.
oh my goodness. It looks so beautiful. I love it so much.
Aw, thank you for
Thank you so much.
Remember, this is our double giveaway series and we want one of you to win a Tess Wingback Bed as well. There are 2 color options and also various sizes. So comment below your color preference and your size preference and we will pick a winner soon. Stay tuned to find out who that is. And also you can enter on multiple platforms by going and watching this video all over the place, so you can enter more than once.
And we're doing more of these, so stay tuned. Make sure you're following and subscribing and all that stuff. And thanks for hanging out with us. We'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah!
Oh, that's wonderful. I like that.